Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off block, spam and scam calls on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In the call settings page, go down and tap on caller ID and spam protection. Now make sure you turn on caller ID and spam protection at the top. Once it is turned on, you can also choose to turn on or turn off block, spam and scam calls. So tap on it to turn it on or off. And down here you can choose block or spam and scam calls, or only block high risk scam calls. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your phone application, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.